So, you have just finished your exam and it was not quite good as you thought it would be, but it feels tiring to start studying again. If you are struggling from this, then I'll be sharing some tips in this video that you can apply for yourself to refresh after a bunch of hectic exams. Hi friends, I am Polomi and I am just a teenager like you who doesn't feel motivated at all to study again after exams and can relate to every point I'll be sharing on this later on this video. Here what you can see in this video, I am just decorating my new notebook for 2022, this new year, and I'll just play this video all over around and just talk like this, providing you with my experience tips. I genuinely hope you will be benefited from this. So be sure to stick with it until the end. But remember, I'll be sharing some points gathered from my experience, and my learning process and your learning process can be similar in many ways, but there is something unique about me and there will be something unique about you that is completely different from me and others. So understanding your unique learning process and the timing when you can study effectively is very vital. So instead of asking others that how can you study effectively, try to question it to yourself and answer it, because you know yourself more than anyone. So I'll try to be vague towards any specific learners like visual or auditory or kinesthetic, and discuss my 3 tips that can be used for everyone, or more specifically for every student. First point, analyzing your effort. Did you spend nights after nights just trying to complete all the chapters that you didn't touch throughout your entire year? If yes, then no, you are not the only one who struggles from that or is struggling right now. But you need to understand at first that you are really very tired right now, probably burnt out because you didn't get much sleep. You need to stop thinking about the result and at first take 10 to 12 hours of sound sleep for 1 week every day. It will help you to get rid of the past pessimistic energy you were probably dealing with because of your vastness of syllabus. Personally, I literally took 15 hours of sound sleep after the day of exam, and now I am that much motivated that I am making this video. But if you manage to sleep in a right manner every day during exam, you got it. It's okay to take a power nap for 8 hours. Now that you took enough time to sleep and rest and rejuvenate, and you are full of power to do anything in front of you and slightly motivated to do study, let's come to our second point. That is to understand pushing yourself to study does not help in the long run. At first, you need to understand the difference between self-motivation and pushing yourself. You can study because of the pushing effect for maximum 1 or 2 hours, but a productive 1 or 2 hours throughout the day as compared to your syllabus is not really good. Then how to motivate yourself? Always know in studying, consistency and engagement is the key to success to do effective study. If you get distracted easily because of your phone or the noise outside of your room, then just use the techniques I'm going to share now. Set an alarm before start studying. Just say like for 20 minutes and study for that particular time. Then take a rest for 20 minutes. This technique is called Pomodoro technique. A lot of successful people use this technique. The actual method is about 25 minutes of studying then taking rest for 5 minutes, but I'll suggest you to do 20-20-20 because you are a beginner in this method and 5 minutes of scrolling TikTok is not satisfying enough, right? But try to increase the time of learning from 20 minutes to maximum 1 hour gradually, obviously, when you are comfortable to do that. After you are done with scrolling TikTok or checking your notifications or maybe watching my videos, you just come back and try to remember what you have just learned without seeing the booklet or content. This method is called active recall. But here is a ting ting, get ready to be disappointed because at first you will not be able to recall everything perfectly, but you will get used to it after some time. This might sound or feel frustrating, but try this if you really want to study effectively. In this way, you don't have to push yourself, as not remembering a topic will signal to your brain to revise that once again or get a glimpse on that. And it will give an importance to the topic. I mean, your brain will give an importance to that topic that you will never forget that chapter so easily. Then again used the same method for the next topic. Now, the third point, get enough rest, but do not procrastinate. We teenagers rest enough sometimes that after the particular period of rest, we start to procrastinate. We really don't understand the thin line between rejuvenation and when we start encouraging ourselves to be lazy and unproductive and start to procrastinate every single work what is due. And at last, feeling guilty of not doing anything throughout the day. You may take one or couple of days off, like literally off, not studying at all, or that work that you are tired of doing that, and doing some creative works like drawing or sketching or paintings or practicing your hobbies. But after that, sit and grasp what you need to finish in this 1 week or a month or before the next semester. You can go and watch study motivation videos or just click on this link. I made a study vlog to motivate you guys. Always remember, you will never start the work if you don't do it today. Quote unquote, follow me 2021. So, just start with nothing and you will get the way eventually. If you have made this far, then comment down your chilling technique you do after the hectic exam and I'll be sure to reply that. Like this video if you have learned anything from this one and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. You can click on this video and I'll meet you there. Bye!